something that came up. It's called charger output. Super, yeah, sorry. It's a really good point. That's good. Charger output. So you have voltage systems, 48, 60, 72, 84. So different chargers will charge your bike differently. Emmo is very specific, and as are we, about having the charger match the bike. But here's the point. So you've got a 72 volt bike, right? This charger is for a zone. Output. What do I mean by output? Okay, a 72 volt system will charge to 84. Very confusing. An 84 volt system charges to 96. So when you have a voltage reading on your bike after you've charged it and it says 84 volts, you're like, well, I have an 84 volt bike. No, you have a 72 volt system, but batteries do charge to 13, 14 volts. So you end up getting extra voltage. Why they make it so confusing, I know. But my point is that your battery will only be charged to the output of which your charger is set to. So 72 volt system, its output is 88. That's the speed. Amp is the speed at which it charges, and this is the max voltage it will charge to, 88. This is for a zone. Now this is just a regular emmo 72 volt 20 amp hour lead acid. Get this. Oh, is this the same? Oh, it is 88. Anyways, this is 88. I found a discrepancy that I'll show you. This 72 volt charger charges to 88. Okay, those are the same. That wasn't a good point. We'll carry on. Here is a 84 volt lithium charger. Its output is 96.6 volts. This 84 volt charger for lead acid output is 102. You see the difference? So this is, let's say, a Cayman, a lead acid Cayman. Its voltage is going to charge to 102. It's going to get maybe a little bit better distance, but that's my point. The reason that came up is because we had a customer this morning saying my 60 volt system only charges to 67. And I said, well, it's because it's your charger. So he bought, that was from Tao. So he bought a emmo 60 volt lead acid charger, and its output is 73.5. So now instead of 67 volts, he's going to get 73. He is going to get a little bit more distance on that. You don't want to overcharge batteries, and that's what manufacturers are trying to not do, right? They're trying to avoid that. So yeah, just charger output. Charger output. I want to see if I can find another 72 that might have something different. I do not. But that's why we talk about voltage and how important it is, because it's really the only very accurate thing on a bike. So if your bike is only charging to 67 or it's only charging to 78, just the first thing you do is check your output. Thanks. Hey, if you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe and like.